Stalker 2: Heart of Chernobyl, an open-world survival horror game, experienced a significant issue post-launch: the save file corrupted error, primarily affecting PC players. This error prevented players from loading their saved games, often resulting in lost progress. Save file corruption occurs when the game's save data becomes unreadable due to interruptions during the saving process, such as crashes, power outages, or software conflicts. These interruptions lead to data inconsistencies, making the save file unusable. It was often linked to bugs within the game's save system, particularly when saving rapidly during combat or intense environmental events. Upon the game's release in November 2024, PC players on platforms like Steam and Epic Games Store widely reported this error. Xbox and PlayStation versions were less affected, indicating that PC-specific optimizations were incomplete at launch. This widespread corruption led to considerable frustration among players, highlighting the critical importance of a robust and reliable save system in modern games. GSC Game World addressed the save file corrupted error through a series of patches. Patch 1.0.1, released in December 2024, introduced autosave improvements and initial fixes for the corruption issue. Subsequent patches, including 1.2, 1.3, and 1.0.4, further refined the save mechanism by adding checksums and error recovery options. By November 2025, patch 1.5 had stabilized the system, reducing corruption reports by approximately 85%. Currently, the error is rare for most players, and the game is considered stable on PC. A dedicated save recovery tool was added in patch 1.0.4, allowing manual repair of corrupted files. To prevent save file corruption, it's crucial to verify the integrity of game files using platform tools like Steam's Verify Integrity of Game Files. Regularly back up your save files, either manually or automatically. Avoid saving during intense game sequences. Consider enabling cloud saves if available. If problems persist, deleting temporary files like shader caches or reinstalling the game might resolve the issue. These preventative measures and the implemented fixes significantly mitigate the risk of encountering the save file corrupted error in Stalker 2.